Okay, so right there is the substation. And you can see all these walkways and you can overlook the city. So we're gonna walk up this way, up the substation. And we'll show you what we can see from up here. And there's a train right there. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. So yeah, these walkways can go quite a bit down, quite a bit that way too. So we're gonna follow it through a substation. Let's see what we can see. So Terminal 21. Very popular shopping mall, Westin Hotel. So let's keep on walking. You can also overlook some of this stuff too. Street food right there. Street food. Irish whiskey, pool hall. All right. Let's just keep on walking through here. Yeah, you can see that we're all the way up. And you can walk down this quite a ways. Okay. Just gonna keep on walking through here. I think we're gonna walk all the way down to where I can't go any longer. Also, not too far from here is Cowboy, which is a bar area that people like to go to. They can get there from the station. And they have these walkways that you can walk above the street as well. This one we have to go through, but I'm pretty sure that if we go around this way, we can also go into this Terminal 21 right here too. Let me just see, I think we can go, no, we have to go around. This has some of the best rates right here for, let's see these rates. This has some of the best rates for if you're trying to change money. So those little orange kiosks in a Souk station, and there's some other ones in other stations too. Okay, so we're gonna walk around the metro space. This is a pretty popular shopping mall, but we're just gonna keep walking through here. Christmas. Try to go through. Yeah, right now it's December 12th, I think, December 13th. So it's pretty close to Christmas. It's about 10 or 11 days away. There's shopping malls, of course, we got lots of Christmas trees everywhere. So okay, we're gonna keep on walking here. I'll show you where Slowly Cowboy is. Slowly Cowboy is straight ahead. Oh. Okay, more Christmas stuff. Lots of people taking pictures here. Santa Claus. And it's so today is a Thursday. So Thursday evening, it's a weekday before getting out of work. So we're gonna keep following this path. We're gonna basically try to walk around. Yeah, it's pretty crowded right here. Alright, it's going to get past this crowd. Yeah, since it's going to take a look over here. It's okay. That's a good pizza place. Pizza Romana. That's the nightlife area. So the cowboy. This side. Street the first. Okay, you're gonna keep walking. So you can keep walking all the way down. If you're gonna keep walking down this way, this is the way to go, not the street. I'll show you this street in a minute, but this street that's down here is really hard to cross. You can see people riding right there. It's hard to cross, so you have to come up and go across. Okay, it's a pretty main thoroughfare right there. So we're gonna stop at this street right here. So yeah, this street is one you don't want to cross if you can avoid it. There's a lot of exhaust fumes, a lot of traffic. Yeah, and it's hard to cross this one, so you see some people stuck right there in the middle. And it takes forever to get across the light. So so it's better just to come up and avoid the whole thing. You almost see almost nobody down there. But if you come on to this side, yeah, see, again, there's like one guy right there, he's the only guy. About 10 people there, they're all tourists. But everybody that's Thai is up here. They're all taking the Skyway system. Keep on walking. Okay, we're gonna run this side in a second. Here we go. So, alright. So you have this whole view right here. Pretty cool spot right there. Traffic going by. So we're gonna cut across here. Yeah, I think the end of this comes not too far away from here. Let's see. We'll try to walk all the way to the end. I think it's right up around the corner here. But basically it gets you around that busy intersection right there. Let's come a little bit further. Yep, that's the end of it, I think. So it'll bring you to Exchange Tower. And we're going to go to the end of this, and we'll stop there. And this is the end. Let's go a little bit further. So Exchange Tower, and then this is basically the end spot right there. So you can see this is the BTS, it goes all the way through. And this basically goes to Asok, which is that station over there. Let's see if we can cross over this way. So yep, there's Asok right there. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.